everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Today I am combining techniques and I'm using a color I've never used before. First of all, I am putting my base coat down. It is a mixture of leftovers. It's a pearl white mixed with metallic white, with Molly Leach's recipe that is floetrol and gloss medium by Liquitex, 70 to 30. See the lumps in my strainer? That's why I strain my colors. So just stretching it a tiny bit, then torching, and afterwards I am swiping through the center with Amsterdam Caput Mortem. I didn't know this color, I've never used it before, and it is so beautiful. It is such a strong color, you'll see in a second. And today I'm layering a split cup, not on the dry canvas, but in my base coat from high up because I want my colors to churn a bit with the base coat. And I have black by Amsterdam. I have used Amsterdam black because I wanted my color to sink underneath. And I know Amsterdam will sink underneath these lightweight colors. To get such a corny effect, I don't want a predominant black. I want to have mixed it with the white and with my silver I'm using. So I am using black by Amsterdam mixed with metallic black by Amsterdam and mixed with a color I've got as a present for my farewell from my surgery when I stopped working. I got it from very nice people, but I don't know this color. I have no idea what will happen, how it will interact with the Amsterdam color. It's a steel, a metallic steel. It's very beautiful, but I don't know the effects. I'm using silver. I think this time it is more matte. I'm using my base coat as my white effect. And I'm using my gold mixture. Today it is predominantly 7 Artists Baroque Gold. And I have put a bit of Olga Soby's recipe in because the gold tends to crack a bit. And I try to prevent that with Olga Soby's recipe because colors don't crack with her mixture. And I hope it will work with my gold. I don't know yet, I'll see when it's dry. So I poured from high up because I wanted the colors to churn a bit. And now I'm going to blow them out on the outside. I leave the center as it is, and I blow the outside out a bit. And afterwards I'll spin it. I don't want to lose the structure, the design, so I don't stretch it by tilting. I stretch it by spinning. Look at this caput mortem. That is the I don't know, it's a purple, lilac, violet. I don't know how to describe it, but it is ever so beautiful. I don't want to bring it over the edge with the hairdryer. I just want to churn the colors a bit and stretch them. And the center with the caput mortem swipes are meant to stay as they are. Now the base coat on the outside, so that my colors have the chance to slide on the canvas, or not over the not over the colors. The most difficult parts are always the edges, so put enough base coat to the edges. Right, here we are. And now spin the whole thing. I'm almost there. This is such a beautiful color combination. And as always, I'm giving my sides and edges a lot of love. I don't want the canvas to show through, so I cover it on the edges. And I take the color from underneath to stop this color from pulling my color from the canvas. Just 2-3 little embellishments just to join these structures. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Oh, I take you into the details. Look at these beautiful structures. the black that's sunk underneath and leaves just a hint of grey underneath. These beautiful caput mortem, the shiny gold. And once again, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye, until the next video.